Did you know that you can create coloring book pages inside Canva's new edition, which is Dream Lab? Once inside the Canva app, then look for Make Me an Image. Let's create some coloring book pages for yourself or for your online business, such as Amazon KDP or whatever other platform that you use. This is one of the latest updates on Canva as part of improving their feature, and it is a really great one. Whenever I create coloring pages prompts, I always include outline drawing, no background, and space to color in, so that I get the perfect results because AI is not yet perfect, so I just try to control my results in that manner. The AI will generate for images for you, and you can choose what suits your needs. Remember to apply a filter first to get the exact desired image, and also the size. Once you have the images, then you can download or edit first. Go to Elements. Just include whatever you want on your page before downloading or adding other pages. So let's look for a dog outline just to make the whole picture look nice. After watching this video, I will link a video which I did, whereby you can explore different ways of creating coloring pages using Canva and Adobe Express. You can download after editing. Remember to like and subscribe.